Ever since I was a kid, I've been watching CMT music, looking at Alan Jackson and Garth Brooks, and this week my video, Some Girls, premiered on CMT. And I was just so excited because it's a dream come true. This is only my second country song ever released into the world. And to be on CMT is a huge deal, and I'm just so grateful. And I got some great news that I was the Tiny Desk of the day, officially on NPR Music, for the Tiny Desk contest. Tiny Desk is huge, NPR is huge, and to get their recognition and their support means the world. It's been an amazing week.
Listen, that's what my mama told me. She said, quick like a pistol, you're hot like flame, wild like a horse that can't be tamed. Whenever I'm gone, you gon' know that I came. I bet $1 million they remember my name. Quick like a pistol, hot like a flame, like some horses that can't be tamed. Whenever I'm gone, you gon' know that I came. I bet $1 million they remember my name. That boy good. How y'all feel, Carter Westwood?
Tell y'all a little story. Listen. I met this girl and I was driving through Kentucky. Stopped for a bite and she was walking out of Buc-ee's. I moseyed over, asked her, do you need a buddy? She say she with it, got the digits, I was lucky. She turned around, I was locked in a stare. That kind of woman make a nature boy rise, Ric Flair. Woo. Yeah. Woo. 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 Listen, my cousin called me, told me meet him down in Destin. He say he hit a lick tonight and ask no questions. We hit the interstate, just me, Smith and Wesson. Got to the motel and I helped them count their blessings. There was liquor on the table, there was smoke in the air. That kind of money make a nature boy rise, Ric Flair. Woo. Woo. Listen, it's in my nature. for y'all a little bit. Listen. Know what's up, you hear that call. Best believe I got it all. People think I'm off the wall. My confidence said on 10 feet tall. Diamond rings and Taylor fits. Stand in line to give me kiss. I'm every lady's dreamy wish. They never ever seen a cowboy like this. Escarada ain't no joke. So take a chill and take a toke. I promise you don't want this smoke. Jump off the top rope in a new mink coat. Hey, I'm peaceful but I make a killing. Foreign cars they got no ceiling. I'm willing, dealing, champagne spilling. I like to woo when I get that feeling. Feast your eyes, I'm oh so rare. To be this good, it can't be fair. So give me the mic and I'm gon' shine. Showtime, it's in my nature. Hey, I'm on the roll. I'm ready to roll. It's in my nature. Hey, everybody knows I'm the star of the show. Hey, I'm gon' be me and it don't matter where I go. I'm cool like the winter on a beach in Mexico. I already seen it all, and that's plenty that I know. You can't call me ugly, and you'll never call me broke. Them haters, they gon' hate, but I really don't care, cause that's the price to live a nature boy life. Ric Flair, woo. Woo!